story of two pots. Once upon a time, there lived a woman in China. She was a water bearer. She used to carry two pots filled with water to her master's house every day. One of the pots she had was cracked, and the other one was intact. She filled both the pots with water from the well, but was able to deliver only 1.5 pot full of water because of one of the pot being cracked. But she never thought of changing the cracked pot. The pot that was intact was very proud of himself because he delivered all the water that was filled in it and looked down upon the other pot. This affected the self-esteem of the cracked pot, and the cracked pot remained very sad because he would deliver only half the quantity of water. One day, when the lady was filling the pot, the cracked pot said, "I am very sorry. I let you down every time." The lady smiled in amazement and said that she was not at all happy with the cracked pot. The cracked pot said that he was very sad because he could deliver only half the quantity of water filled by the lady, and therefore she had to lose half of her award every day. But the lady had some other thoughts in her mind. She asked the cracked pot to watch the way from the well to the master's house next day. The next day, when the lady was carrying the pot through the same route from the well to the master's house, she asked the cracked pot to notice the path carefully. The cracked pot said that he could see bright and beautiful flowers on side of the path, and the other side of the path was barren. And then the lady said that one side of the road is bright and beautiful with flowers because of the water that dropped from the crack of the pot, and the other side was barren because the other pot did not water the way. The cracked pot was very happy to hear this. All of us have some fault in us. If we keep looking at them, we will never focus on our abilities and therefore block our way to success. And then the cracked pot realized that God has made everybody unique and for a particular purpose, and one has to understand that. The cracked pot was made to make the path bright and beautiful. The moral of the story? One should know himself well and not try to judge God's way of doing things.